Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can see worldwide trends on your Twitter. So for that you can see on the top right corner the star button, tap there, and you can see view content preference, tap there. Now on the top you can see trends, tap there, and you can see trend location, tap there. On the top you can see worldwide, select worldwide, and you are done. Now now you can see worldwide trends. That's it guys. Likewise you can switch to worldwide trends on Twitter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.